real frustrating one for you, I imagine.
Yeah, I think you can see. I think the supporters can see the thread of what we're trying to do: get the ball out into wide areas and then put the ball in the box. Very simplistic, and you've got to say we had enough first contacts in the box to get goals. The pleasing thing is the opposition's goalkeeper has probably come away now with a man of the match for them. So we just needed that little bit extra guile, that extra bit of aggression, when that understanding the ball goes out to Nicky, the ball's coming in the box. We had enough balls put in the box, made enough first contact, and enough first contacts from set pieces as well, where the movement was good, and it's just the end product of putting the ball in the back of the net.
Let's start with the goal you conceded from the set piece. Talk us through that from your perspective.
In the outswinging corner, we've got a routine that we do with an outswinging corner. We've got to take an extra yard out, because that's there is a weakness in zone marking, but we believe in it. And again, the understanding will grow. Sometimes you do it on a Thursday, you do it on a Friday, and then in the heat of battle, the players do not take that extra yard. And again, it's about accountability, responsibility, and understanding that will come and will grow. Again, the ball's going into an area that we should be occupying and negate the ball in.
Just those fine margins, isn't it? As you say, the fine margin conceding the goal and the fine margin turning those chances into goals as well.
Yeah, but again, I think they had one the header for the goal, and I think we had one shot in the second half that got blocked before it got to die. Apart from that, they had the big lad up front who was a threat, but I thought we competed very well with him. And another fact, we had enough opportunities in that game to win not only this game but also another game. And again, but we've got to score goals to win games, and again that was the message today. Getting the understanding, the ball's in wide areas, the ball's coming in. At times I thought we could have got more people into the box, and then the half chances that we had today, then it's about the simple things. The ball's coming out to the edge of the box, got to hit the target, ball's coming back out, put the ball into good areas, and get the ball back into wide areas. So there was bits of it that were good. It's just the end product, where it matters, the second 6-yard box, the 6-yard box. When one goes in, I had the feeling we got one. If we've got one, we've really got 2 or 3.
Talking about the understanding there, so is it 9 new faces from last season, if you count Charlie Ude as a new face, as a permanent signing in the squad today? Is that going to take time just to develop and gel?
Well, again, I think it's always better to gel and bond in a winning team. But again, the characters that we've got in the changing room at the football club now, they're good characters, and there's a disappointment in there. But again, effort, commitment. Not got a problem with it. End product in the final third, the delivery's in excellent. The ruefulness and the aggression that you need in that final third. Sometimes just getting your head on it isn't enough. You've got to get the ball under the crossbar and head it down and get it in the back of the net. So, but there were signs. Again, we created enough goals there to win 2 or 3 games.
It's a long old season, of course, and you've spoken about bringing players with a winning mentality in. So, what is the atmosphere like in the dressing room? I imagine desperately disappointed, but understanding that there's a long way to go.
Yeah, definitely. We're work in progress, and we understand that there's going to be things that we need to iron out individually, collectively. Some of the guidelines that we're expected from set pieces. People will know that we will zone mark. And again, that's the disappointing thing today when you're thinking by personnel being switched on and getting the understanding and having that understanding. That half a yard in the box being switched on can save you the goal. And again, then it's about at the other end getting that understanding. Ball goes wide, ball's coming into the box. Put some good balls in, some good deliveries in. Joe Martin on the other side, Sammy Askers on the other side, Nicky Adams. They put enough balls in the box. Then it's getting people vacating the middle of the pitch, the safety area, and going and operating in and around the edge of the box. I thought we could have at times got an extra midfield player in the box when the ball was kept alive. But for knockdowns, did excellent in the first half when to be fair, the lad got a good clear and tackling on Sam Haskins. His shot deflected it over for a corner. But no, there's some pleasing things that came out of the way. Effort, commitment, that will be a given by Martin.
And the sense I get from you, obviously, the result was disappointing, but plenty of positives from your perspective to take out of the game today.
Yeah, definitely. I think again, because there's that many new players, I thought the tempo of the game, we were a little bit slow, a little bit laborious in the first half. But again, we put that down to a little bit of nerves, people wanting to impress, wanting to do the right things and stay in that safety zone and not making mistakes. Gradually, we will get players out of that safety zone. I thought they'd be able to tempo the last 20 minutes of us playing on the front foot, getting the ball forward, landing on second balls, getting the ball in the wide area, balls coming into the box. Finishing the game at the right tempo with a good understanding. And so the nervousness of the first game in front of a big crowd, here, full of expectancy as well. So that does play a part with the players.
Alan McCormack, we saw him go off in that second half. Looked like he had a heavy strapping on his thigh and his hamstring as well. How's he?
Again, we'll assess it 24, 48 hours tomorrow. He's come off. We're hoping that it's a little bit of cramp and a little bit of fatigue. Again, he hasn't played. He hasn't been able to play that many games. But I thought he did very well, marshalling in the middle of the pitch, being in the right place at the right time. We'll assess that tomorrow.
And then finally, just looking ahead to next week, I suppose you know what to work on, playing both boxes, I suppose, this week.
Yeah, that understanding what's required in our box and being more aggressive. If we do set pieces, we do cross them and finishing. And again, we need to do more with in the opposition because that's where success comes.
Keith, hard luck today.